Namaskaram. Today is the 15th day of Dhanurmasam, the auspicious month of Margazhi. In the group of the awakening pasurams of 10 maidens, number 6 through 15, this pasuram is the last one. And unlike other awakening pasurams, this has been set up as a dialogue between the girls that have come to wake up the maiden inside the house and the girl herself. This pasuram has been set up in Yukti and Prayukti mode, that is, question and answer. Reminds us of a similar idea in Prashnottara Malika of Sri Adi Shankara, which was more of a philosophical pondering. Here, the maiden inside the house is in sleep of perhaps divine intoxication. The maidens at the entrance say, Yelle. The word yell in Tamil means luster. Oh, one with luster, young parrot like girl, are you fast asleep even now? Yelle ilankliye, innum urangudiyo. The maiden inside angrily answers, Oh, girls, don't speak harsh while calling me. I'm just about leaving. Sillendru alayen mean, nangai meer, podarugindrain. The maidens at the entrance say, We know you are so crafty with your words and speak well, and we have known the skill of yours very well for long. Vallai yun katturegal, pande yun vayaridum. The girl inside now says, Am I? You are the ones who indeed are very skilled and cutting with your words. Doesn't matter. Let me be the one with harsh words. You carry on. Vallirgal ningale. Nanedan ayuduga vallai. Ni podai. The group outside hurriedly says, Please come quickly and join us. With whom are you so involved that you want to be away from us? The girl inside, without giving up her argument, Have you all come already? Implying, Why are you hurrying me? As if I am the one who is delaying you all. Illorum pondaro? The girls outside counter her tone. Of course, everyone is here. You can come outside and check it for yourself. And count two maybe. Pondar. Pondu ennikul. Finally, they call her in a sweet talking tone. We would like to hear you sing the praise of our Lord, who subjugated and killed the wild Kuvalaya Petam, the court elephant of Kansa, Vallane Kundrane, and who is highly powerful in destroying the enmity of his enemies. Matrare, Matrarikka Vallane. Along with us, please do come. Let's go and sing that Mayan, Mayanai Padelo Embavai. This verse also reminds us of Pasam Paranjodi, the second verse of another great work of Tiruvambavi, which is also sung during the month of Margazhi in Shiva temples. This was composed by Manika Vashagar, which is set in a similar conversational mode. The conversational mode is both humorous and thought-provoking in this particular verse. Now the Pasuram, Elle ilankiliye, innum urangudiyo. Sillendru alayen mean, nangai meer, podarugindrain. Vallayun katturegal, pandeyun vayaridum. Vallirgal ningale, nanedan ayuduga vallai, நீ போதாய் உனக்கென்ன வேறுடையை எல்லோரும் போந்தாரோ போந்தார் போந்து எண்ணிக்கொள் வல்லானை கொன்றானை மாற்றாரை மாற்றழிக்க வல்லானை மாயனை பாடையிலோர் எம்பாவாய்.
எல்லே இளம் கிளியே இன்னம் உறங்குதியோ எல்லே இளம் கிளியே இன்னம் உறங்குதியோ சில்லன்றழையேன் நங்கை மீர் போதரு சில்லன்றழை ஏமின் நங்கை மீர் போதருகின்றேன் வல்லை உன் கட்டுரைகள் பண்டே உன் வாயறிதும் வல்லை உன் கட்டுரைகள் பண்டே உன் வாயறிதும் வல்லீர்கள் நீங்களே நானே தானாயிடுக வல்லீர்கள் நீங்களே நானே தானாயிடுக ஒல்லை நீ போதாய் உனக்கென்ன வேறுடையை ஒல்லை நீ போதாய் உனக்கென்ன வேறுடையை எல்லாரும் போதாரோ போதார் போனென் நீள் எல்லாரும் போதாரோ போனார் போனென் நீள் வல்லானை கொன்றானை மாற்றாரை மாற்றடிக்க வல்லானை கொன்றானை மாற்றாரை மாற்றடிக்க வல்லானை மாயனை பாடேலோரம் பாவாய் வல்லானை மாயனை பாடேலோரம் பாவாய்